Hi guys, this is my first YouTube channel and I'm going to be doing a challenge and I've got a guest here and my guest is...
Hi, and my name's Jamie
and we're going to be doing if we can, we'll try to do a YouTube channel together. So yeah, we're going to be doing, could you tell them what channel we're on?
We're going to be doing a food challenge, so different kind of foods will be closing our eyes and my friend will put
Yeah, and then, so, yeah.
And if you do like it, I hope you comment.
And like and subscribe to
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So yeah, here's our food. Yeah, and then we're gonna taste them. So who's going first? Okay, so coconut crack, coconut crack, coconut crack.
Cheese.
You go first.
Okay. Here we
Close your eyes. You better close your eyes.
go. Pasta.
Well done! Oh my God. My turn.
Cool. But be good. You're correct. So that was pineapple juice and that was pasta. So this is my friend pasta. This just a friend.
Right, Jill's turn. Close your eyes.
You still got that's okay, remember?
Close your eyes. Open your mouth.
Red.
Yeah. She got it right.
Okay. Good job. This is my favourite ever.
Let me do it. Let me do it.
I think this is your favourite ever. I bet you it
Because
is.
I don't know if I like any of these. I like some more.
My favourite.
Is it chocolate spread?
Yeah, it is.
But I thought
Really?
I thought it was the pineapple juice again. I thought it was liquid there. Your turn. We're going. You open your mouth.
Biscuit.
Go done.
No. I'm gonna play lots of kind of day. Rising up.
It's better.
Yeah, well done. But not such spread, Jojo.
I don't do it. Right, close your eyes. Right. Listen, eh? Oh no. The bed tin's finished. Close your eyes.
Good.
Yeah.
Right.
Pasta. You guys, I don't even like pasta or that was disgusting.
Play chicken now.
That's a good treat.
Put the camera to me. Sorry about that.
Open your mouth. That is wrong. don't think so. I like this one.
I think I do.
Here, have more here.
What the hell, no? I think it's... Wait, pineapple or pineapple? I'll go pineapple. Well done!
My turn.
I think so. Numbers to you.
Biscuit.
Correct.
Yeah, I thought it was like, something that you just put in my mouth, so I was like, ew.
Alright, so we've used everything, I think. Oh no, sorry, I'm correct on cracks. Right, so we've used all the pineapple. Right, we're gonna do a mix now, but might be disgusting, might be nice. So here we go. We've got pineapple juice. We've got crisp, and we've got one pasta left. One little crumb biscuit. Can you see that, everyone? Crumb biscuit, and then chocolate spread. My favourite. Right, so ready? Now we're gonna do a mix of things. So let's just use this container.
Jody,
What? Okay, so we're gonna have close your eyes, and we're gonna have a bit of chocolate spread. Turn open your mouth. What a challenge that is, alright? But, do you know what I did? I used pasta because I wouldn't have a go. Ew, gross, isn't it?
okay. So guys, that was like, I like that taste test, and it was awful at the end. Where did you get?
Are we finished?
Yeah,
We're finished. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Oh, can't believe you said that. I can't believe this time.
Okay.
So,
thank you for watching.
yeah, thanks for watching.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Right. Now, if you want any more challenges done, any food or anything, we will do it. Just comment below. Just like spicy stuff, normal stuff, and mixed stuff like we just did then. So, subscribe and like it, and then we will do it again for you.
And we're going to do questions of the week. So the question of the week today is, what is your favourite chocolate bar? I hope you guys can comment down below and tell me and Jody what's your favourite chocolate bar.
Next week, we'll be doing a challenge where we go outside and get water all over us for charity.
I hope you like that. Okay.
I know, yeah, it'll be funny. Don't forget to watch it on Grace and the Gambler.
See ya.